Today is Thursday and we're on lesson 60. Go ahead and put your name at the top. Do your power up. When you're done with your power up, press play so we can correct it together. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 63 divided by 9 is 7. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 72 divided by 9 is 8. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 3. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 64 divided by 8 is 8. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 7 divided by 1 is 7. 18 divided by 9 is 9. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 49 divided by 7 is 7. A says $10 minus $3.24. 0 minus 4, can't do that. Can't cross out those zeros, so come over here, cross out that 1, make it a 0, change it into 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9, change 0 to 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9, change 0 to 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, so you get $6.76. B says Jane purchased a book that cost $7.25. She paid with a $10 bill. How much change did she receive? $7.25, well, plus 75 cents would get you to $8, and then plus $2 more would get you to $10. If you do the math on that, you're going to get the same thing. C says Lila had $10. She spent $8.67. How much money does she have left? Same thing, you can cross these out. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1, so you get $1.33. D, how many inches is 1/2 of a foot? Well, 1 foot is 12 inches, so 1/2 of 12 is 6, so you'd say 6 inches. E, compare the square root of 81, which is 9, less than, greater than, or equal to 200 minus 190. So that's going to give you 10. So 9 is less than 10. F, how many years is 5 centuries? Well, 1 century is 100 years, so 5 centuries would be 500 years. G, choose the more reasonable estimate for the height of a telephone pole. 30 feet or 30 inches? Telephone pole is going to be about 30 feet because 30 inches would only be a little bit over 2 feet. H, calculate 50 times 2 is 100. Plus 26 plus 49. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7. 1 plus nothing is 1. You get 175. Problem solving. It says choose an appropriate problem solving strategy to solve this problem. The question below is written in a code where 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, and so on. After you decode the question, write the answer using the same code. So 23, 8, 1, 20. Go ahead and just write your alphabet along the top of your page. Okay. Now underneath the alphabet, just go ahead and write the numbers. 1, 2, 3. So if the first word says 23, 8, 1, 20, 23 is W, 8 is H, 1 is A, 20 is T. So the first word is what? Then 4, 1, 25. 4, 1, 25, so D-A-Y. 9, 19. 9, I, 19, S. 20, 8, 9, 19. 20, 8, 9, 19. So the question is, what day is this? Well, today is Thursday. So Thursday, written in that same code, you're going to get T, which is 20, H, which is 8, U, which is 21, R, which is 18, S, which is 19, D, which is 4, A, which is 1, Y, which is 25. So Thursday is 20, 8, 21, 18, 19, 4, 1, 25. Go ahead and flip it over for our new concept. Our new concept for today is rate problems with a given total. So we're going to talk about having a total and then how we work backwards to find that. Before we multiply to find the total, in this problem, we're going to divide to find either the rate or the amount of time. So example 1 says Zariali can read 2 pages in 1 minute. How long will it take him to read 18 pages? So 2 pages in 8 minutes, 2 pages in each minute times how many minutes equals 18 total pages. Well, remember the opposite of multiplication is division. So we can do 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9, so we get 9 minutes. Example 2 says Yolanda rode her bike 24 miles in 3 hours. Yolanda's average riding rate was how many miles per hour? Well, how many miles she rode per hour times 3 hours equaled 24. So go ahead and divide to find your answer. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So she rode 8 miles each hour. For our lesson practice, it says Javier can sharpen 5 pencils in a minute. How long will it take him to sharpen 40 pencils? So 5 in a minute times how many minutes equals 40? Well, I know 5 times 8 equals 40. So it will take 8 minutes. Lesson practice B says the troop hiked 12 miles in 4 hours. The average rate was how many miles per hour? So if we started at 4 hours times how many miles per hour equals 12 total miles. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so they were going 3 miles per hour. Remember your abbreviation for that? MPH means miles per hour. C then says, Alexis was paid $48 for 6 hours of work. How much money was she paid each hour? So 6 hours times how much she made each hour equaled $48. So 48 divided by 6 equals 8. So she made $8 per hour. Let's go ahead and get started on some of those homework problems together. Name at the top. Number 3 says, Yachi can paint 12 signs in 1 hour. At that rate, how many signs could he paint in 3 hours? So we know that she makes 12 in 1. So hours is going to go on one side, signs will go on the other side. First hour, second hour, third hour. Well, they made 12 signs the first hour, so that means 24 by the time the second hour was done, and 36 because we're just counting by 12s. So how many signs could he paint in 3 hours? 36 signs. Going down to number 7. It says write the time 6:45 in the morning. Remember, 6:45 we go before 7 and it's 6. 60 minus 15 is 45. So it's 6:45 a.m. Down to number 13. 13 says 6 5/10 plus 4 7/75 plus 11 3/10. Make sure you line up those decimal points just like mine. You can go ahead and add them, fill in those zeros and add them. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 3 more is 15. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2, so you get 22 55 hundredths. When you flip it over, we're going to number 25, 26, and 27. 25 says a rectangular room is 5 yards long and 4 yards wide. How many yards of molding are needed to go around the room? Around the room we know is going to be the perimeter. So if we had 5 on one side and 4 on the other side, 5 plus 4, or 5 plus 5 is 10. 4 plus 4 is 8, so 10 plus 8 is 18 yards. And then the area equals length times width, says how many square yards of carpet are needed to cover. So 5 times 4 is 20, so you need 20 square yards. A, 18 yards, B, 20 square yards. 26 then says n plus 10 equals 25. Which of these equations is not true? Well, if n plus 10 equals 25, then subtract to get n. 25 minus 10, 15 equals n. So now let's see. Is 15 plus n 26? Yes. Is 15 plus 12 27? Yep. Is n minus 5 20? Is 15 minus 5 20? No, 15 minus 5 is 10. So C isn't right. Is 15 plus 9 24? Yep. So it's got to be C is not right. 27. Compare 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 compared to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Remember, parentheses first, because those selfish parentheses say me first. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 4 is greater than 1. Then it says, look at your answer to part A. Does the associative property apply to division? Did you get the same answer? Then no, it does not apply. Go ahead and make sure you get the rest of your problems done. Ask any questions on Zoom.